Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the fuel tank on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. For better access, we recommend removing the air filter cover by lifting the tab to release. Note the orientation of the fuel lines, then pull them off of the carburetor ports. Use a T25 Torx bit to unthread the 3 mounting screws to release the old tank. Install the new fuel tank by positioning it on the housing. Then thread the mounting screws. Attach the fuel lines to the appropriate carburetor ports. Make sure the air filter gasket is properly positioned on the filter base, then realign the cover and snap it into place. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug. Fill the new tank with fuel, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.